Hey fam, welcome back to my channel and thank you for being here. I'm going to start this vlog with my morning routine, which is so dear to me because mornings are like my favorite time of the day. It's like a time where I get to like do things for myself peacefully and with so much grace and intention. Um, my facial routine for morning and evening do not change, and I try to make sure I do something for myself every single day. I then make a cappuccino or a latte with some foamed oat milk. This particular day I had some errands to run. I was sitting at the dentist waiting for my appointment. And I'm really proud of myself because I've been doing dental work for the past year. It's really hard. It's been traumatizing at times because, the dentist sucks. But I'm proud that I've been doing the work. I know a lot of you guys have followed me because of my health journey. But just so you guys know, it's still going. It's a lifestyle I intend to keep. I've been learning and unlearning a lot of habits of many years. My husband's doing the same thing. But I wouldn't lie, sometimes it's hard, but every day is one day at a time. Every day I try, every day I keep on trying, and then if I give up, I try again and again. Don't be hard on yourselves, y'all. Do it at the pace that you think is right for you. Gonna do a little thrifting at the spot in Williamsburg with my husband.
Yeah, nice though.
Some damage on the thrift.
Something like.
Sunlight.
Something like.
Sunlight. We spent like $40.
Huh?
We spent like $40, people.
Oh yeah.
$40. I think we bought like 10 pieces for like $40.
And that's we never go. We only went in there once like years ago.
Yeah, I never been in there before. That's my first time going there.
It's alright. You know what I'm saying? Now you can't go to the more hype spots. 'Cause you're not gonna find like.
Yeah.
And if you find something, they're gonna kill you with the price.
Yes. Okay, let's go home
That's cold.
and unfreeze. Let's go home and unfreeze, okay?
Unfreeze.
Okay.
Thaw out.
Yeah, thaw out. To keep it real, it's been a tough winter. It's been snowing. It's been really cold. I mean, it's winter's doing winter things. You know what I mean? It kind of feels like winter when I was younger, because the last few winters with global warming, it's been pretty warm. But it's been so cold that sometimes even going outside is kind of hard. Word. Dang. They don't shovel is the bad sign for his martini making skills. This espresso martini is so delicious and so easy to make. And you don't have to pay $20 for it when you got a husband. You gotta stay warm somehow. Hace frío afuera. Cheers, baby. We started shopping at Aldi a couple months ago. The only downfall is that it's a little bit far from where we live, but their organic section and their healthy section is so affordable compared to like Whole Foods or like Wegmans or any other local supermarket. So it kind of makes sense to come over here. Baby, do you love food shopping?
I love it.
Are we still with the same thing? Bless you.
I'm allergic to that shit.
Oh God, you still with the same thing, huh?
Nah, it was cool. You got in at the right time.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Sunday's early flow.
Woo! I've been food shopping in a minute. I've been ordering Amazon Fresh, Whole Foods, and then now here we are, back home. Just some of my groceries here. And I have like more scattered around. Hi, Mr. Build Your Computer. Hi. I'm in a store where I don't know anything. I don't know anything here. I'm just following my family around. They don't know anything either.
We do.
Gavin's just going in circles so he's excited.
Look, this one is nice, guy. Look.
Our son decided that he wanted to build his own PC, so we headed over to Micro Center in Industry City to buy all the expensive as fuck pieces. I'm half kidding because it was expensive, but I'm really excited for him to see him actually complete this whole computer from scratch. That's a huge accomplishment. Plus, he's doing it with his dad. Okay, this is the workstation. They've been working very hard. I think they only need like 2 plugs to go, and they don't even know where to go. So they've been doing this for the entire day. They took a long break though, but the entire day they've been working on it, and I'm really proud of them. But I know they're tired. Gavin is. Gavin's not tired, but Nikel is very tired.
Man,
his brain hurts.
I'm scared to turn it
Gavin's excited. Nikel's brain hurts. And me, I'm just like, figured out. Wait, yeah, hype, but I need to see what y'all did in here.
Yeah.
It only took you about 25 days.
So what, man?
Let's go. All right, guys.
Yo.
Need a monitor though, not see if it really works.
Yeah.
Gosh, it's almost complete.
I thought Windows was gonna take longer to.
Wow. This is impressive, kid. We came to a vegan spot to have lunch. But can you just stop for a minute and read what it says here? Oh, love the intentions here. I had the mofongo, which is mashed plantains with Beyond ground beef, and my husband had the chicken sandwich. That was so fire. Yeah, so we just came back from lunch. We had a really good lunch. It was like a vegan place. It's called Aunts and Uncles, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's in like Flatbush, but whatever.
Crown Heights.
Crown Heights, yeah. But it was really good. Kind of like Caribbean inspired, I want to say. Vegan food, but it was really nice. Yeah, we had lunch and now we're just gonna go home and do what we do every time we're home.
It was good to be out a little bit. You know?
Yeah, we've been back from Florida already like 2 weeks. So we've just done the minimal.
And it's been cold too.
Yeah, it's been really cold. It snowed. Just food shopping. Go home, cook foods every day.
I hope everybody is well though.
Yes, I hope you guys are doing well. You guys are healthy and yeah. Hi, baby.
Peace and love to everybody out there in YouTube land. You know? Oh.
Ooh.